One of the nicest things about the vendor portal is that it's mobile friendly, which makes it extremely helpful for your vendors working out in the field away from their computers. This video is going to look at how the vendor portal displays on an iPhone. The rest of the videos in this series go through the different areas of the vendor portal in more details using the desktop view, but all functionality is compatible on a mobile device. The URL for the vendor portal is vendorportal.vrmgr.com. When the vendor or vendor employee logs into the vendor portal, they will need to enter their username and password. They will also need the client code, which is located on the dashboard of the VRM admin console below the menu on the left. To make the vendor portal easier to access, a shortcut can be added to the home screen of the mobile device so the vendor portal can be accessed by one click. To do this, select the square with the arrow and then click the Add to Home Screen button. This will create an icon on your desktop and will allow your vendor to be able to access the vendor portal just by clicking on it. When a vendor logs in, they will see the work orders and tasks assigned to them. They will see any past due tasks, a way to manage users, and a way to edit their profile. These options are also listed under the menu at the top right of the screen, as well as a way to get back to the dashboard. And you will see under the Tasks menu to have assigned tasks and past due tasks. The Users menu is where you would go to manage the users, edit profile, and log out. For more information on these menus, please enjoy the other videos we have in our series. I do want to take a look at a task on this mobile device so I can show you how it displays. You will see at the top of the screen a picture that's assigned to the property as a thumbnail, the name of the property, reservation number and work order number if there are any associated with this task. Then under the summary section, you'll see the task status, the housekeeping status, the name of the guest, the date that this task is due to be complete, stay dates. The beds and the key code information is what's pulled from the VRM admin console, and that is corresponding with the information that you have entered. You will also see who this task has been assigned to. The information that's displaying as a description is what was entered as a long description when this work order was created. Under the Task Notes section, you will see any notes that have been added to this task, either through the Readiness Manager grid or through the vendor portal, and I'll show you how to add a note in just a minute. You will also see directions to the property, a section for housekeeping notes, reservation comments, and guest comments. These fields will display if the vendor or vendor employee has permission to see them, and that's addressed in the video concerning permissions. Underneath the information about the task, you will see 3 action buttons, Mark Finish, Report a Problem, and Reassign. I want to take a look at each one of these. The Report a Problem button is what someone in the field will need to use if they want to communicate back with your office if they have an issue or if they have additional information that they want to share. When they go in to add a note, they can select the priority of the note, enter the information, and even upload a picture. One of the neat things about this is when you click on Choose Files, you actually have the ability to take a picture in real time to add to this task. So if you select Take Photo or Video, their camera will automatically be activated on their phone. They can take a picture, click Use Photo, and that photo will automatically be added to this task note. Once the information has been added, Click on Report Event, and now if you go back under the Notes section, you will see a new note has been added. And here's the note that we just entered. Window needs cleaning, and there's our picture that we just took. If a task needs to be reassigned to another employee, they would need to click on the gold Reassign button, and they can choose a new person to assign this task to. Once the task has been completed, to update the Readiness Manager grid and the vendor portal, all the vendor needs to do is click the green Mark Finish button. This is going to update the status of the work order as well as the status that's reported in the Readiness Manager grid. If you have any questions about the vendor portal being mobile friendly, please contact the help desk, either by entering a ticket or emailing us at help@vrmgr.com. Thank you.